So let me show you how to start a car with a dead starter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in neutral. I'm gonna put the parking brake down. Everything's good. Keys to ignition in the on position. As you tell, I'm on a slight hill, but we're gonna give it a little more of a push. Alright, that's enough speed right there. About 5 miles an hour will do it. Now I'm gonna put my foot on the clutch. Put it in first, slowly let out the clutch and get some gas. Just like that. Start it. And you're good to go. Now I'm going to put my foot on the clutch, put it in first, slowly let out the clutch and get some gas. Just like that, start it. And you're good to go.
So I do realize second gear is ideal for that situation, not first gear. Same thing, second gear is just easier to do it. I did not know that at the time. Use second gear, push it, do the whole thing, and it will start. But use second gear, not first gear. Oh, you also do reverse, but second gear is easiest to start.